everyone, today here we have a early Hampton Bay Landmark ceiling fan. This fan is dated December 1995 and it was manufactured under SMC. And commonly these fans, when they were under the SMC name, they were known as the DC-42. But essentially that's what this is, except this one just has a Hampton Bay sticker on the motor housing, even though you can't see it here because it's on the other side. And they just simply relabeled it as the Landmark. I got this fan for $10 off the Facebook Marketplace, and this was from the same owner who also had the Casablanca Zephyr. And this fan is in a very, very pitiful condition. All three speeds, it wobbles as well as buzzes and makes scraping and grinding sounds. And the pull chain itself is also very sticky and rusty as well. Cosmetically, the fan isn't that great either. It's got some tarnishing all over, especially on the brackets and even on the motor housing itself. I'm guessing this fan was probably installed in a kitchen because the sides of the blades here are really dirty as well. They're like practically black, probably from all the cooking and oils and everything. Granted, that probably interfered with the motor as well, so yeah, this fan has definitely seen better days. But it does work, it's fully functional, so I'm just gonna show it here just for a demo. But it's very likely I'm just gonna toss this fan out afterwards. So we'll go ahead and give it a demo. Alright, and there you have it. Thank you very much for watching and hope you enjoyed.